Hello everyone. We will be going through a authentication web app, which is named as Authrex. Firstly, we will be going through the directory structure, and then we'll be seeing all the functionalities or what we have implemented in this. So, first of all, this is the asset folder, which will be containing all the CSS files or the JS files which are required by our page or the web app. Now this is the configuration folder. The first is queue.js. This queue.js is basically handling the parallel jobs, just like sending notification mail from mail to our users or the customers. Now we have certain middlewares which are here, just like flash middleware. This will be used to send web app, web app notification. Now the mongoose, this is the configuration for our database, which is the mongodb here. So mongoose is used as a used to map the objects with and link the object web app and our database. Now basically this is node mailer, which will be using as a transporter to send our mails or notification mails or any forward password mails, anything. Now this is the local strategy for authentication at our local system. Now this is the configuration page is for which is for Google authentication, which we have used in our system. This is the JWT authentication system which we have used. Now basically, now we have covered the config folder. Now we are going through the controllers. These are we have a API controller for to handle API authentication. So yes, we have provided API authentication to in our system. Now we here is a home controller. Home controller basically renders the home and its home page and its functionality. We have users controller. User controllers contain basically all the action please to perform and the specific routes which will be there, which will be seeing now. So and third one is an important functionality we have added here, that is for captcha verification, which takes the secret key and the token which is provided by the captcha API provided by Google. Now we have a mailer which is auth mailer, which will be sending the mail to our user. So we have mailer. Now this is the model we have, which tells about the schema which we have used in our app, that contains email, password and name. Now we have certain routes stored here. Routes basically contains all the routes from our app, which are for user API and for sending handling purpose. Now here, this is the second user. This is the users route. Everything with every route which starts with a user comes here, and it is a redirected as required. Now basically we have a view here. So views are generally the pages we have used, just like sign up form, sign in form, reset form, or a footer, header. We have everything we have configured stays in the view. And this is the index.js file, which we have contains all the packages we have used. The body parts as well are included. We have set layout to extract style heights are using everything which has been configured for maintaining session, also for authenticating the session and everything. So just let's dive into our application and see how it's working. Now let's open our app, which is hosted on the port 8000. No. So this is the basically the our app now, which is named as Authrex, which is a multiple authentication support. So if you click on sign in, you are directed to a sign in page. Here you can see the Google reCAPTCHA, which says provided by reCAPTCHA. Now let me demonstrate by signing. Let me demonstrate you by signing in. Okay, uh, so you see here is a notification. And now if you you can either sign out or you can reset password. So let's see how the reset password works now. In order to reset your password, you can provide your mail ID. Now you when you click on reset password, it says reset mail sent. So we have a reset mail sent to the respective user mailbox. Now let's see how we reset the password. So here we see we have a received mail regarding changing of password. So let's click on the link. So basically we have clicked on the link we have received in our mail. So let's see. Okay, so we are here now. We can choose any password, which I'm obviously not going to tell you. So I have entered a new password here. When I click on reset password, it redirects me to the sign in page. Now I can sign again with the the new password. Here you have seen we have entered an incorrect password, so it will not take you backward. So now again when I sign in with the correct password, I have signed in. Now let's click on the sign out. So I have signed out. Acha, also have we also have Google sign in and sign up option here, which can be used to sign up. So let's see one more functionality. So let's choose any account, and here we are. We have logged in using our account now. So you can just sign in again, so which will be opening the user profile. So that's about the app. Thank you.